Hey guys, we're back at the Burton house today and I'm really excited to show you the transformation of this property. Completely redone transformation, over $400,000 in upgrades. Let's go take a look inside right now. Welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Bryan Knisley. I'm your local Las Vegas real estate broker. This channel is designed for everything Las Vegas, whether it's real estate or lifestyle or this beautiful property right here. Reach out. Information's below. Love to talk to you. We're helping people all across the world find their dream home right here in the Las Vegas Valley. Please like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff really helps out the channel. And let's get into this one right now. This beautifully renovated gem nestled in the historic McNeil neighborhood is a testament to timeless charm and modern luxury. Built in 1961, this single-story ranch-style home boasts 3 spacious bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, offering comfort and style in its 2,871 square foot of living space. Set on an expansive quarter-acre lot, the property features a huge pool and a 2-car garage, making it a true oasis in the heart of Las Vegas. The renovation, exceeding $400,000 in cost, has transformed this home into a masterpiece, seamlessly blending classic architecture with contemporary design. McNeil Estates is a historic enclave that exudes character and charisma just minutes from the vibrant Las Vegas Strip. This neighborhood is a unique blend of tranquility and convenience. With tree-lined streets and a strong sense of community, it's the perfect place to call home. McNeil Estates is known for its vintage Vegas charm and offers a glimpse into the city's rich history. It's no wonder that properties here are highly sought after. You guys ready to see what over $400,000 in upgrades looks like in this ranch style house right here in McNeil? So I want you guys to notice that we're right here near downtown in the historic McNeil neighborhood, and we're gonna go inside right now. Come on. As you walk up, we've got the circular drive here, a little pony wall with the address on it. We've got some wood accents that we've added to the peaks on each side of the house. Patio out here, and we'll see that as we walk in the other side. We've got the 2-car garage here. As you walk up, you can see the wood panel door with the windows in it, completely replaced. Ooh, feels good in here. So as we walk in, you can see, if you guys remember the first time we visited this house, it was completely torn up. All of the floors were torn up. We redid all of the plumbing, and all of the entire house was just completely demolished and now rebuilt. This was one area that we decided that we were gonna kind of keep intact. You know, kind of an homage to the retro look, and we kind of kept it that original state. And so this is that room that you get to kind of hang out and think about the old school Vegas. But as we walk in here, see very open concept design and large kitchen countertop with all the stone tops here, stainless steel appliances, new cabinets. Got the soft close drawers and cabinets. 5-burner gas grill over here, and the gas range with the hood above. And let's walk over this way and we'll see this side of the house. We got a little bit of a dining nook right here that we built in next to the kitchen, and then it overlooks the patio that we saw from the front. So come on out here, check it out. Again, wood doors with the windows in the front so you can kind of see out front. We got a nice little patio space here, so you can put some patio furniture out here, get your morning coffee, hang out on the front porch, and then go back inside. As you head to this side of the house, we've put in some, you know, kind of like a breakfast bar here, coffee bar, lots of storage, and then we've got the laundry area here, and then the half bath that services this main house over here. See too, we've got like under cabinet lighting and just little accents that we put in these properties that makes it look nice. And again, in here in the kitchen, as you turn off all the lights, you can see the under cabinet lighting here, under countertops and under cabinets over there, so it makes a nice accent as the sun starts to go down. And over here, we're looking at our formal dining area. Putting in the shelves over here allows you to display some of the artwork and things like that. And then we've got our seating area off to the side over here. Lots of windows, open it up, let lots of light in here. Good little seating area here that has the French doors that goes out to the pool area. And then we go into the main living area on this side. Where you see you've got the main living area here. You can put your TV entertainment center on the wall here, and everybody hangs out in this whole area here. So you've got kitchen, living, dining, and then our hangout area over there. But let's go in and check out the bedrooms on this side of the house. Again, just look at the finishing touches in here. We've got the wood plank tile flooring that goes in. And then as we walk down here, you can see we've got all the updated moldings throughout the property. And we do like to do accent walls also in most of the properties that we do here, and kind of adds a little bit of a texture and depth. So bedroom number one there, bathroom that services both of these bedrooms here. Go in, you can see quartz countertops, under cabinet lighting, floating cabinets, and then some cool artistic tile on the shower there. Looks awesome. Now, there's a couple features that we're still waiting on that have been ordered, so if you see a light fixture missing or whatnot, we're still working on finishing touches. Didn't get the chance to stage this room yet, but this is bedroom number two here. We got windows out the back that overlooking the pool, and let's go in and check out the primary bedroom now. So completely separate from the rest of the house, you have the primary bedroom that's off of the pool area here with your slider that goes out to the pool, and we've got a nice little deck out there that we'll check out in just a minute in the backyard. But as we walk in here, we've got accents all throughout on the ceilings, kind of again adds a little bit of texture in here. Got a big walk-in closet, just a little bit of storage area right now. Don't know where the light is. Oh, nice and cool in there. Gonna hang out in there. And we've got the primary bathroom here. We've got the tub off to the side. We've got the stand-up shower, walk-in stand-up shower here. Huge, plenty of space in there. Again, we got the floating cabinets, under cabinet lighting, quartz countertops. And let's go check out the backyard. So as we walk out to the back, you can see we've got the accordion doors right here that open up this entire space right here and just makes it flow right in through the house. Come on out. Replaced all of the tile throughout on the decking out here. So you've got tile throughout. You've got a nice little seating area up here off of the French doors over there. And redone the entire pool, all new plaster in the pool. Still waiting on the light to go in over there. It's been ordered. But as you walk over here, you can notice that we've got a cool little deck. You know, if you guys remembered this backyard the first time we came in, it was completely torn up. We had tarps and everything everywhere, but transform this space into a nice, inviting space. Have guests over, hang out in the pool in the hot sun. But that's it for this one. Thanks for coming on the tour with us of this beautifully renovated property right here in McNeil Historic District, right near downtown Vegas. You guys, this channel was designed for everything Las Vegas, whether it's real estate or lifestyle, or these flip properties that we do through our company called Paragon Asset Management Group. Please reach out. We love helping people find their dream home right here in the Vegas Valley. Information's below. Again, please like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff really helps out the channel. We'll keep making these videos as long as you guys keep watching. So thanks for being here. We'll see you on the next one.